Only drop the anchor in sandy environments. Do not drop the anchor in a rocky environment or places where there is Posidonia algae. This algae is protected and damage to it could lead to a hefty fine. Once you've dropped the anchor, secure it on this latch by using the figure of 8. When swimming, ensure the boat is anchored on sand and the engine switched off before anyone jumps in the water. When swimming, stay nearby the boat. Do not anchor the boat and go to the shore. Please remain close to the boat at all times. After swimming, ensure that your crew is back on board before switching on the engine. Do not switch on the engine until everyone's back on board. Once everyone's safely back on board, switch the engine back on and then remove the anchor. If you're unable to start the engine with the key, simply turn the ignition on and then pull on the cord in the back of the engine like this.